How to use ChatGPT for beginners.
Watch to the end for advanced features.
Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com on any internet browser. That's going to take you to their homepage. Step 2. You're going to have to sign up for a free account. It's fast and easy. The easiest way is to use your Gmail account. Go ahead and enter your Gmail account and sign in, and put your name. Next, it'll ask for your phone number. It'll send you a code via text. Just enter it. Step 3, you can now use ChatGPT for free. It's super easy to use. For example, how do motors work? You type that in and press enter, and the AI will generate an answer for you that you can use anywhere you want. It's pretty amazing. But wait, there's so much more. Here's some advanced features and how to get to them. First, you have to go to beta.openai.com/playground. Once you're there, you'll see a whole different webpage. It's pretty similar to the first one, but there's a couple specialties. Like you can choose which AI you're going to use. You can also adjust the temperature, which controls randomness, the maximum length, and so much more. It's endless what you can do with this AI, and it's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check this one out here. This one will show you how to screen record on any mobile device in HD.